Most of you will know about the A1 to C2 scale. It goes from complete beginner at A1 up through B1, B2 intermediate to the advanced C1 up to the pinnacle C2 level. It's said that C2 is the most advanced level that even some native speakers don't reach due to the advanced academic vocabulary and structures required. A noble objective indeed for any language learner. But what if I told you that there was a D1 level, a level so advanced that you can rise above it all? You could have an out-of-body language experience and achieve a Zen state and true inner peace. But first you'll have to surpass the problems of C1 and C2 and learn the top secret of the D1 level. So congratulations, you've learnt English to an advanced level. I'm a native English speaker, but back in 2014 when I started my language learning journey with Spanish, it felt like an impossible task. My progress was a little bit slow at first, but once I got in the swing of it, I got quite good, quite fast. And that's when the challenge began. I faced three main problems. 1, the rate of learning slows down. 2, confusion of concepts builds up. 3, you start to conceal weaknesses. As I was learning Spanish, I was also teaching English, and I started to identify the same problems with my advanced students. We need to be aware of these common advanced learner problems. You're doing so well, don't give up now. Problem 1, your rate of learning slows down. When you're a beginner, you know nothing. Starting from 0, you can build your vocabulary, grammar, comprehension at a fantastic rate. Everything you learn is new. But as your skills improve, this rate of learning slows down and the accompanying dopamine reward drops. Just remember that a couple of small improvement points for an advanced learner is a worthwhile challenge. Problem 2, confusion of concepts builds up. By the time you reach an advanced level, you've probably been studying for some time. You've picked up your language in all sorts of places. The confusion of countless classes, books, different teachers, and random tips on YouTube starts to pile up. It's difficult to build new skills on such a weak base. Problem 3, concealed weakness. You have everyone fooled, yourself included. The truth is, there are still plenty of words to learn and areas of language that you can't use accurately, but you get really good at finding alternatives. There's always more than one way to express an idea. And if you run into difficulty, it's your confidence with the language that allows you to quickly find an alternative way of expressing the same idea. An easier, more familiar path of least resistance. For example, if I had not had bring umbrella, good job I brought my umbrella. In this way, weaknesses are concealed and the opportunity for you to express yourself more eloquently and add variety to your language is lost. Actually, this is part of a major problem for advanced learners. We know that making mistakes is a crucial part of learning. When you're a beginner, everyone expects you to make mistakes. And of course, it's uncomfortable when you start to talk and you make a load of mistakes, but it's the only way to learn. When you start getting good though, more advanced, the idea is that your mistakes start to reduce. You might even get recognition for your language skills. It's exactly what happened to me. Locals would say, wow, your Spanish is really good. And, oh, that's Mr. D. His Spanish is amazing. He never makes any mistakes. And then you've got an identity to live up to. Now, your level might be up here at C1 or C2, but you're constricted and constrained by a new fear of making mistakes. And the fear is worse than ever before because now you've got a C-level reputation to maintain. Needless to say, this will stop you from progressing to D1. As advanced language learners, we can be proud of our achievements, but we can still improve. And an awareness of these problems will help you take your skills to the next level. So keep learning, but be clear about why you're learning advanced English. To reach D1 level. D1 is simple. Not all interactions are C2 with big academic words. Know who you're talking to and grade your language to the audience and the situation. All about communication and not worried about grammar, mistakes, high-level vocabulary or accent. Fun. When you knows the rules, you can break the rules. And the best part of all, and the top secret, you can go directly to D1 level. You don't have to get to C2 first or pass any exams. That's because D1 is a communication mindset. It's an attitude. It's a way of life. And it's the key to unlocking English. Here's another video for you to watch. Thanks for watching all the way through. You can subscribe if you like, and I'll see you next time.